So the majority of people that are into streetwear are just regular people, aka not 6 foot supermodels, aka 5 foot something, aka 5 feet on dating sites. You should be dead.
That's okay.
AKA short, AKA single, AKA depressed. But just because you're short doesn't mean you can't look good in clothes. Some of my favorite fashion icons are under 6 feet. Trust me guys, there are so many different ways that you can style clothes to look good on you regardless of your height. And you know, it's probably not even your height. You know, what if it's something else? Like you're, I don't know, repelling emotional bad. 3 ways for short guys to look good in clothes. Okay, so I really want to help y'all out on this one. I like this topic a lot, so I'm gonna not mess around as much and keep the video clean and short. Wow, that was fast. I'll break the video down into 3 things, and they're gonna be proportions, colors, and mindset. So we're just gonna roll with the first one first, and that one's proportions. This is super important for any body type, but especially important if you're on the shorter end of the stick. When you're shorter, it's just better to keep things balanced. By this, I mean nothing too exaggerated or outlandish, because it just doesn't work as well. Like super oversized top, it's gonna look good on someone tall and slender because their body type pairs well with the garment. But if you're shorter, the only thing you're pairing well is with some good old, everybody, overcompensation. It's a big theme for this video, so keep that in mind. To avoid projecting this, I think it's just best to keep things tastefully fitted. Instead of going with the long and drapey route, offer something boxy and short instead to match your body size. Boxy shirts or tastefully cut pants will do you better than long light shirts and stacking pants. It just doesn't look good on the right body type. Not to say that you can't rock an oversized shirt with an undersized wow. Not to say that you can't rock an oversized shirt with an average height. A lot of people do a great job at it. But you know, nothing like some good cyberbullying to knock you down a size. But you know what's better than online harassment? Online shopping. And to save some money online, I use ShopTagger. To online bully, I use Discord. ShopTagger is my boy. But I do online shop a lot. You know, the way I online shop is kind of like the way I am in relationships. I can never commit. And you know, actually, let's not do this. But with ShopTagger, you can save the items online that you think would fit in your wardrobe, and you can just build this collection to see what type of style you'd like. And you can save your items into lists to be more organized with the looks. Just makes things easier to view. You can use ShopTagger on any website. I like to use it on like the big sites like End Clothing and Farfetch because there's a lot of clothes you can choose from. It's great when you're trying to build an aesthetic, and it's even better when you're trying to save money. Because when an item goes on sale or when something's sold out and it restocks, ShopTagger will send you an email and a push notification on your phone if you're using the app to keep you updated with your collection. And I'm Asian, you know, so I was raised on coupons. Pretty sure my mom used a couple coupons on me when I was born at checkout, like free shipping and 30% off personality. I love that coupon. So at checkout, best know I'm finna dig for some item promo codes. You know, with ShopTagger, they just do it for you. It scans the web for codes that you can use so that you don't have to do it yourself on Google. It's kind of like cheating, but who cares because you're saving money. And best thing out of all this crap, it's free, dog. You gotta pay the price for a lot of things, like taxes, bad decisions, but you don't have to pay for ShopTagger. Really easy to install. The app is just on the App Store, and the Chrome extension is just bam, bam, click, 2 shots of vodka. So go in the description, click on my link now to go install it, save money, live better. Next up is color. So color is like a double-edged sword because it brings attention to the things that you want, but also things that you might not want. Example, big red sweater, dope piece, but look at how small it makes your legs look in contrast to your body. And swipe left. But you can use it to your advantage as well. Vertical stripes with some color can work well with your body, you know? Ever wonder why every short dude ever has this exact outfit? You know what I'm talking about. You see these guys walk around the mall? Exactly. You know what they say? Great minds think alike, short minds like vintage get. But I think the easy way out is to stay tonal. Like an all black or all darker tones outfit can keep a uniform silhouette. Looks good on any body, including shorter guys. You can't see how short my legs are if you don't even know where my legs start. Big brain plays for a small man. Also, quick tip for cuffing jeans. Don't make the cuff too big. It's a small detail, but it does a lot. If the cuff's too big, it'll ride up the real estate of your leg and make you look stubbier. So instead of opting for 2 big cuffs, maybe compensate with 3 smaller cuffs that'll taper the same length, but proportionally look better on your leg. This will still give you that crop look without people roasting your legs. You know, you don't want to be looking out here like a Roblox character. Lastly, we got mindset. At the end of the day, you can really wear whatever you want. Nobody's gonna stop you. You know, maybe the height qualification on a roller coaster. Okay, that's enough jokes. You might not be able to go on all the rides at the water park, but you can go on any ride you want to in fashion, dog. There's no height limit here. It's really all a matter of what you think looks good on you. And oh, also, I forgot to mention this, just be mindful of how high tops look on you too. Like Jordan 1s look sick on anyone. I feel like anyone can pull this off. But when the tongue on the shoe be higher than your self-esteem, you know, maybe, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. And I digress. It's all acceptance rather than overcompensation. And that mindset of rolling with what you got will make you look better than any striped Guess shirt with a Supreme shoulder bag, dangling earrings, and shades will ever make you look, F's in the chat for the short kings out there though. But make sure they're lowercase F's. Haha, get it? Lowercase because they're short. All right guys, so thanks for watching the video and hopefully you grew in knowledge since you can't grow in height. Big thanks to Shop Tagger for sponsoring this week's video. Love these guys and their app. I really use this all the time, so make sure you go click my link and sign up now. I can't stress how much money you're gonna save and how much time you're gonna save building an aesthetic with this, and it's all free, so you have nothing to lose. Just trust me, go give it a shot, sign up, add it to your Chrome extension. You'll be good to go. Link in the description. Also, the Respect Women 2 launch has officially sold out. Super thankful for all the overwhelming support on that drop. Definitely falling in love with just running this brand now, and I can't wait to show you guys what's up next. I got a lot planned, but really, thank you so much. Follow the brand's Instagram at Respect Women NYC, and yeah, guys,